Hello everyone in the YouTube. This is Zoe from Shenzhen CLT LED. If you follow CLT live broadcast before, you will know more about CLT hardboard and TC series. In this live broadcast, I'd like to introduce Hplus, the fixed installation and rental usage LED displays for indoors, which are available in P2.6 and P3.9, supporting the full front maintenance. As you may know, P1.5 and P2.5 of Hseries are CLT hot sellers, which represents that our product has been received the recognition by market and the customers. Even so, the market is competitive, and our customers will have their new request. So as to better support our customers, we upgraded Hplus, which has the integer size, more creative installation, and rental and fixed installation. In the picture, you can see CLT R&D building in Shenzhen, and also we have production base in Huizhou, covering around 120,000 square meters. And then I'd like to introduce Hplus by the product features, installation ways, scenarios, and cases. Let's start with the product features. The first one is integration, and then the reliable design, and the last one is full front maintenance. In this part, you can see the integer size of 500 by 500 millimeter, and the thickness is 60 millimeter, which will improve space utilization. What's more, as the integrated size of the panel, the weight is lighter, only 5.15 kilogram per panel. So the panel will lower the installation requirement on site. In this part, you can see the picture, and it shows the reliable design of Hplus. Let's start from the top. The first one is handle. It's for you to lift up the panel easily. And the side locks implements the flatness of the screen when connecting to other screens. And there is a location pin is to help the cabinets be fixed in the correct position. And module handles will be easy for you to handle the panel. In the middle of the panel, there are signal connectors, power supply, and indicators. Also, the panel has the interface annotation, installation direction, and the customized perimeter nameplate. In the middle, you can see it. So we focus on details, just better our user experience. In the picture, you can see there's a landing protection in the bottom of the panel, and that is to prevent the bumping. If the panel is for rental occasions, then you need to have a panel that has a corner protection design. Just like the picture, turn it on and turn it off. Easy to operate. It's safe and reliable. In order to maintain the broken part during the installation, Hplus supports the full front maintenance. So you can take out the module, hardboard, receiving card, and power supply from the front side, which also reduces the maintenance cost. Let's have a look to the separated part of the panel. There are 4 pieces magnetic LED modules on every cabinet. In the module part, we can see 2 pieces connection pins and dual connectors. It is worth noting that our connection pins are cableless, which means we can do the front service more stable and conveniently. And the dual connectors are swappable. That means you can interchange the module without any sequencing. And also, it is the dual guarantee because the module will be working if one of the connectors is broken. Let's move forward to the installation part. The first one is wall mounting installation and its front surface. The screen in the picture was installed by CLT's brackets and the connecting plate to improve the space utilization. So the thickness is less than 10 centimeters. And Hplus supports 90-degree corner installation, which is able to use CLT's wall mounting bracket and also the customized structure on site. And curve installation is available in Hplus. It is very popular among our customers because the display effect is good and vivid. Bracket-free installation is available in Hplus, and now we have 2 solutions for this kind of installation. The first one is we can use expansion bolt to fix the screen into the flat concrete wall, and the second one is we can use self-tapping screw to fix the screen into the wooden wall. And column installation will bring you more projects, such as the exhibition and shopping malls. It is the perfect solution for the small value event, and it's good for new idea advertisement. For a rental, we have ground stacking and hanging installation. Let's move forward to the scenario application. Hplus can be used in many applications like advertising, traffic, retail, enterprise, and sports, and entertainment. In this picture, it was a chain store in Spain. Pixel page is 3.9. And this is our Argentina project. It was installed in monitoring room. And this is the casino project and its curve installation. This is the bank project. It was corner installation. This is the church application and it was installed in Korea. Gym application. We also installed screen in Shenzhen, and this is our hotel project. This is our project. It was installed in government. Here is the comparison between Hseries and Hplus series. The differences are in yellow. Let's see the first size difference. Hplus is 500 by 500 millimeter, and Hplus has a lighter weight, which is only 5.15 kilogram, and a lighter brightness, 800 to 12 nits. And Hplus supports the full front maintenance and right angle splicing, such as the 90-degree corner installation and curve installation. Now let's review the overall video of Hplus. Welcome back. And to thanks for our valued audience, we offer the best discount for our customers who has the ongoing projects for these two kinds of products. Thanks for watching the video, and please keep following CLT on YouTube and LinkedIn and Facebook.